Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate all the support, guys. Honestly, it means a lot to me. All the views, likes, comments, questions and stuff like that. And shout out to Jeremy for adding me on Fortnite last night and sending me a message on Xbox. We played for a while and it was great. Thanks for that. And like I said yesterday, turned this into Swiss cheese. I'm a man of my word. So marked all these out. Basically tried to transfer these pipe measurements onto the wall. I give it a little bit more spacing because I want 1 inch gap between here. So these are pretty tight right here. So it's a little bit more. So I don't know if that's like 21, but this is like, I know it's like a little bit extra. You'll see it on the other side, but got the 1 inch gap there. So we got 12 wide and then 6 on the bottom, and then 2 of these for these pipes. That wire's just sitting there. I poked it through so that doesn't actually go there. It was just in my way, so I got these 2 holes for that, and then these 2 holes for these over here, and then just gonna do flex. So I got the flex connectors right here. The flex is outside, so I'll be doing that tomorrow probably. So here's the other side. I measured this side first. I made the little box right there, and then as you can see, these 2 are outside the box. So did this side and then copied the numbers, transferred it on the other side. And this side is sheetrock, that side is wooden sheetrock. And then did these up here, which took a while. So once again, I took these measurements in here. So there's a TGI right there, TGI there, TGI there, and then a block right there. So basically I measured from this TGI over to this TGI, wrote that number down, transferred all the numbers outside, so the distance from that TGI to that TGI, this TGI, and then these 2 blocks, and then the ceiling height difference from here to the top plate was like 27.5, and then to the top of the TGI bottom is 29, so it's extra 1.5 inches. So what I did was transferred the first numbers outside to outside, and then I did the bottom plate right there. You can barely see it. And then the wood that was in the way right here, that TGI, and then these 2 blocks right there. So I knew I couldn't drill my hole through there, and the sprinkler pipe was already there. And then the corner of the TGI is right there, which is another spot. So I maxed it out as far as I could and got all 44 holes, which is what I needed. And I actually had a room for another one, but I didn't drill it. So anyways, I'll be running flex from the box through these holes into the panels. There's going to be 10 flexes into each, and then there's going to be 2 extras for the lighting circuit. I can't find it right now, so there's a box right there, and then there's another one around the corner or something, but like you can see here, there's one there and then one there. So there's 2 lighting circuits, and then 20 home runs, and then 20 home runs and 2 lighting circuits. So I'm not sure where the lighting circuits go, but anyways, I'll try to do a different type of video tomorrow because you guys are probably bored of these, but I hope you enjoyed the video. That's what I did today. And then I started marking out this box to drill it. So I did like a pre-hole drill. I don't got any cutting oil, so I'll be doing that tomorrow. And then I also marked the top of these panels. You can't really see it. Oh, and I also drilled these holes, but these are in the way, so probably just gonna have to re-screw that back down and then use a metal cutting blade to drill through there, because it does need some support. Like right here, I'm gonna probably just have to drill through it or do something sideways, because if I take these out, it's gonna have a problem. It's gonna fall down. But anyways, I pre-drilled these already, like I did on the other box. I marked it out like that. Then the same thing over here. And that's about it. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content and want to see more. I appreciate the support. I'm trying to get to that 500 subs, but eventually 1,000. And don't forget to check out the description. Giveaway ends on Friday at 4 p.m. So that's basically in 2 days from right now. So by the time you see this video. Alright guys, see you later. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. Peace out.